Every day, patients enter Lowinstein Rehabilitation Medical Center not knowing if they'll ever live a life that remotely resembles what they once had.
During this pandemic, many of us feel the challenge of being confined in a singular space. The lack of freedom to go anywhere we choose and wherever we want can be really suffocating. Our mental health can deteriorate. This lifestyle of quarantine and social distancing is only a temporary one for most of us. We hope that the COVID-19 will go out of our lives very soon. That is not the case for most of our patients. Instead, they live this challenging existence every day. Many of them suffer and will not be able to get back to their mobility, and we need your help to get them back their freedom and back to their lives.
Through advanced rehabilitation technology, we have treated those who have suffered from spine and spinal cord injury, brain, strokes, and orthopedic impairment of the limbs, fracture, or joint replacement. Because of the tradition, knowledge, and accumulated experience we have, senior doctors and therapists in Israel and worldwide undergo rehabilitation training at Lowinstein.
The goal of this campaign is to increase and help the mobility of our patients. Many of our patients are paralyzed and need a wheelchair, and we have to get them going on their wheelchair. We need special wheelchairs that will enable them to get back and reclaim their motion. The next step is to get them back to driving. For that, we need a special simulator machine that will enable us to get them back on the road and back to their lives.
Your support will help us provide 18 of these life-changing wheelchairs to our patients. This type of wheelchair is suitable for passive patients who suffer from a lack of control of the back and neck muscles and are unable to move the chair by themselves or to change their position in the chair independently and at will. This driving simulator allows the doctors at Lowinstein Rehabilitation Medical Center to assess whether the patient is ready to start driving again. We want to make sure that we can give people this basic freedom of driving again without endangering their lives or the lives of others. Help bring the freedom of mobility to the patients of Lowinstein Rehabilitation Medical Center. Join our community of supporters, and together we can make a difference.